I just hate when you realize I misplaced my umbrella. I don't know if you can even see how. Yeah. Woo. Ah. I'm getting dressed, and of course, it sounds like it's okay. Well, what happens? Come outside ready to start driving or get to work, and it really comes down. So, yeah. I'm in Heston right now, my hometown. Well, hometown for now. It is really coming down. Whoa, check out the water. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys in a bit the difference between a Rain-X windshield and a non-Rain-X windshield. You know how you can still see out of this? Wait, sorry. I love this part. Right here, this is the untreated part. And this is a treated part, of course. Now, especially at highway speeds. Huh. Car doesn't seem like it's running right. At highway speeds, you see the difference between the Rain-X and the non-Rain-X. Huge difference. But right now, I'm just trying to get on 281. Green light. No, I'm not going 40, which is a speed limit. But see that window? Can't. I mean, you can see through it, but it's like got all those marks. But here, see, perfect. That's Rain-X. 55. Whoa. She's ready to run today. But yeah, there's a better example. The spots is the Rain-X side. Those streaks are the non-Rain-X. Yeah, I love using Rain-X on my windshield. Not because I don't like using my windshield wipers. Just because, hey, you don't need to. Years ago, I don't know if you guys can hear me well. Years ago, one of my uncles, I used to work for AutoZone. Ooh, a long time ago. Wow, almost over 10 years ago, I worked for AutoZone. Now, when I worked for AutoZone, my uncle I would work overnights, and sometimes my uncle, you know, he was at the time he was an appraiser, an insurance appraiser or adjuster, and still got water falling all over. I mean, he would work sometimes from 8 in the morning. Actually, he would be on the road by 7:30, 8 o'clock. And sometimes we wouldn't get home till about, you know, almost 9 o'clock at night. Now, there was a bunch of times where, you know, I would go with him, and I loved going with him. Especially because I love to drive. But, yeah, it's really coming down now. What would happen was, one day he walked into my store and he says, Mijo, which is beloved son in Spanish, like, Mijo, I need to wash the truck. What can I use to wash the truck? And I told him, I'm like, well, Dio, you know, just there's this one, use it. I go ahead, it's the shampoo, but it has the Rain-X wax in it. It was a blue bottle of Rain-X soap. It was a blue liquid bottle with little yellow beads in it. And that was a Rain-X. And my uncle's like, well, but this one's cheaper. And I'm like, no. He's like, I would tell him to get this one, and he's like, well, it's more expensive. I'd rather get this one, the one that I always get, and it's cheaper. And I told him, no, just go ahead and get this one. Okay. Well, he bought it and he used it a couple times, and he didn't know actually why. Months later, at that time I was still, fairly young, so I would still do car washes or wash cars for extra money. And for those of you that know, I still do car detailing, just not as often as I used to because my time. But he asked me, he's like, we're going to San Antonio. Can you please wash the truck, the Suburban, your aunt's Suburban for me? I go, all right. He's like, wash it, wax it, clean it, everything. All right. Well, I washed it. I dried it. I cleaned it all inside. Still not using wipers. And the car in front of me is getting kind of slow. Oh, no wonder. What the? I put it in second gear instead of drive. Whoops. This whole time I'm driving in second gear. No wonder. Okay. What was that? Oh yeah, I washed the car. My uncle's truck. And he tells me, he's like, well, and they take off. Well, hours later, like I washed it the day before. The next day, they take off early in the morning and they're driving and they're over by Corpus Christi when all of a sudden a storm like this comes by. And my uncle, apparently, he calls me up. He's like, "Mijo, what did you do?" I go, "What do you mean?" He's like, "What did you do to my car?" I'm like, "What do you mean?" I'm thinking, maybe like a flat tire or something. And he tells me, like, no, well, before I tell you what happened, he was driving, and they start, they go through the storm. They're driving, they're going through the storm, and my aunt realizes that my uncle doesn't have his wipers on. She looks around to the cars next to them, and their wipers are going, 100 miles per hour. Just blah, 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 blah. And she realizes that the wipers are not on their car, on their truck, on the Suburban. So my aunt tells my uncle, like, "Honey, are you okay?" My uncle says, "Yeah, why? What's going on?" And she says, "Well, you're not using your wipers and it's raining cats and dogs." And he's like, "What?" And that's when he realized that he can still see the road and it's still clear even though it's raining. And so he called me up, freaked out. He's like, "What did you do to my car, to my truck, to the Suburban?" And I'm, like I said, I was thinking that maybe, just maybe, it was a flat tire or tune-up or something happened. And but no, it was actually because of the Rain-X. So just wanted to share that little story. Just thought it was funny. Now, of course, Rain-X works great. I love Rain-X. However, once you go to highway speeds, city limits, it loses its flavor. So, or not its flavor, it loses its usefulness. I'm about to crash on videotape. Yeah, but whoa, it's pretty deep here. Alright. I was not actually hungry anyway, so. Alright guys, I'm here in Newton now, so I'll see y'all later. Hope y'all have a great day and even better tomorrow. Bye bye.